So, you've run your SQL in CloudSQL and got your data. Now what? Do you analyze it, verify if your query is actually correct, or try to make sense of thousands of rows? That's where CloudSQL's powerful result grid comes in. With CloudSQL, exploring your data is effortless. Need to organize your results? You can sort by any column in just one click, both ascending and descending. Looking for something specific? Apply filters instantly. No need to rewrite your query. Want quick insights? Group your data and get summaries on the fly. Searching for a value? Just type and find it in seconds. Navigating large datasets? Quickly jump to any column without scrolling endlessly. And when you need precision, switch to single record view and inspect every detail, field by field. So instead of running multiple queries or exporting data, CloudSQL lets you analyze, validate, and explore. All in one place. That's smarter SQL. That's CloudSQL.